Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two incredible camera products that have been making waves in the photography community. We have the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras have their own unique features and strengths, so let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to image quality, the Fujifilm X-H2S takes the lead with its 26.1 megapixel X-Trans5 stacked back illuminated sensor. This sensor minimizes moire and false colors, resulting in outstanding image quality with expanded low light capabilities and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 also offers excellent image quality with its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor. Both cameras deliver stunning images, but the X-H2S edges out slightly in terms of overall image quality. When it comes to video performance, both cameras shine in their own ways. The X-H2S from Fujifilm offers powerful video features, making it a great choice for videographers. Its X Processor 5 provides lightning-fast performance, delivering next-level enhancements in video and stills processing capabilities. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 is no slouch either, offering 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE. It also features a close-up demo mode that quickly switches focus when a product is brought close to the camera. In terms of video, both cameras bring their A-game. When it comes to autofocus and tracking capabilities, the Canon EOS R50 takes the lead with its dual-pixel CMOS AFE. It covers up to a 100% by 100% area, boasting an impressive 651 AF zones. It utilizes deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking of people, animals, and vehicles. The Fujifilm X-H2S also delivers reliable autofocus performance, but its predecessor X-T4 model falls slightly behind the Canon EOS R50 in terms of AF speed and coverage. And that wraps up our comparison between the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. It's important to note that both cameras offer outstanding features and capabilities, catering to different needs and preferences. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your specific requirements as a photographer or videographer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below which camera you prefer. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.